Make this kind of New Year's resolution if you want magical, unexplainable results. This New Year's resolution technique is based on neuroscience. We will be creating a new reality for ourselves using the way our brain works. Creating a new future works like this. We create a future and add emotion. The stronger the emotion, the better. That is what programs our brains. Our brain literally sorts through the current reality we are living in and selects from it those images, like notions, ideas, opportunities, actions, etc., that it will act upon to fulfill on our created future. More rigorously said, the current reality is actually created by our brains. Then it selects from that reality that it is creating the things that it will use to fulfill on the future you have created. Here's how it's done. Collect a series of pictures, approximately 3 to 20 images. For example, one of mine is below. Assemble them together in some way that you will see them every day. When you look at this collage, you will experience emotions, and those emotions will program your brain. It is critical that the future captured by the images is inspiring, touching, moving. You could experiment with negative emotions, and theoretically that would work as well. No list, no promises, no resolutions. Have fun, have a collage party. Do this New Year's Eve or anytime. Post your collage on as many social media sites as possible. Share widely for maximum impact. Here's one of mine from years ago, and everything in it has come into reality. A little bit more about how this works. Our brains create our reality and select from that reality actions that you will take up to 10 seconds before you're aware of that you are taking those actions. The idea that we decide, then act, is an illusion. We act, then tell a story about why we did it, including reasons like, well, I decided to, whatever it is, which is why we believe we decide and then act. If you look at our evolution, our brain is wired to take action before thought and analysis occurs. Imagine a saber-toothed tiger is charging us. If you did a lot of wondering if it's a nice kitty and whether you should pet it, developing an analytical action plan, decision tree before deciding to run, you would have been lunch. It just takes too long to do the thinking and analysis. Our brain acts, then we think. Those who think it through, then acted, their genetic pool is extinct. Your brain is programmed to get the heck out of there, then think about it later. The mechanism is debated intensely in neuroscience and philosophy. Let's prove it. So far, it's worked for me. You're invited to send me your collage to Jeff Evans at creatingleadersworldwide.com. Also, let me know if you want me to share your collage. X-rated won't be shared. Kid-friendly is a preference. Then let me know what you got next year. Results will be published and you will be notified of the results. This may become part of a PhD thesis. You will not be identified by name or email. You may get an email from me asking the results you got. Happy new reality. Keep in touch. Love you.